Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the Love of Sewing and Craft. Today we have an unboxing video and today we're going to unbox our Brother 3550 cover stitch machine. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this YouTube page. We are now at 124 subscribers. Thank you for all the support we've been getting. Let's go now to the unboxing of the machine. The first thing we need to do is to open the box. Okay, as soon as we open the box, we will see that we have operational manual, and inside we also have our dust cover. The next thing we see in our box are some foam patches for our thread combs. Then we see our foot pedal so we can stitch. The next thing in our box are the accessories that comes with the machine. We have some clips for our spools when you will use the more traditional spools, the smaller ones. Then we can use these caps. We have some needles, extra needles, because we have 3 needles in the machine already. We have some thread nets just to make sure that our threads are not going to spool too fast. We have our twister. We have a brush, a clear foot. We have our hex, screwdriver, and some other accessories. Okay, let's go take a look at the machine itself. The next thing in the box is the machine. Let's try to lift the machine out of the box. When you remove the machine from the box, this is what it looks like. It comes pre-threaded. You can see how they have stitched on this piece of fabric, so you can see that the machine is fully functional. This machine has 3 needles. It has 1 looper. It has 1 top cover, and these are the tension discs for the 3 needles we saw here. In another video, I will show you what we can do with this machine. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as we post a new video. Thank you for watching and bye!